Hi friends, you're welcome to the part 6 of building a REST API using the Golang standard library. In this lesson, we'll look at how we can use the Makefile and also how we can auto restart our application without killing it. So let's start with the Makefile. The essence of a Makefile is automation and efficiency in managing tasks like compiling, building, testing, and deploying. Instead of manually typing long commands each time, a Makefile helps us to reduce all these long commands. Let's head over to our editor and write a Makefile. I'll come here and I'll write Makefile. So this is a Makefile and I'll click into it. Let me collapse the Explorer. The first variable to write is the app name, which we can call Golang course, and the bin name. So this will be the name of the output binary when we run our build command. So I can just call it go bin. The next thing is the build directory. This is going to be in our current folder, then bin. So we want to create a bin folder in our current project directory. So this is a directory where the build binary will be stored or will be placed, and we want to have go files find in the correct folder any name that equals to .go and not part that includes vendor. So this line 4 essentially lists all the Go files, excluding the vendor directory. You can read more about the vendor directory in Golang. Now let's flesh out the actual command. For example, the run command, the format command. So I can write here run, put a description here, description of the run command. You can do running the server, right? Then the actual command will be go run main.go, and that'll be all. So this is the description, more like a description, the echo command, and this is the actual go command. So let's give it a whirl. We'll save this. I have this rocket showing here. Let me just remove anything like emoji now, and let's run this. I'll do make run. So we can see the make run here on the server connected to the database, starting server on 8081, like so. So let's kill this and let's continue. You can also pass the true here. So what this true will do is that it will ensure that the command does not fail the whole make process, even if the server exists with an error. So just like a safety net, you want to use all true here. So for installing dependencies, you can call it deps, and this is going to be at echo installing dependencies, then sys, and this is going to be go mod tidy, like so. The go mod tidy cleans up the go mod file and the go.sum files by removing unused and adding missing dependencies. Right. Format, we have the echo, then we can do formatting code, and this is going to be go fmt format all files. So this will format all the Go source files in the current module. We don't have a test folder at the moment, so we'll skip that. We'll go to the build. So I'll type echo building project. Then we'll type make directory. Then we can pass in the build directory that we wrote earlier. Then the actual command will be go build. The output directory should be this build directory against the bin name. By the way, this should be so, and we're gonna have main.go. And after building, you can also send a message through that building complete, build complete. And pass this build directory. I keep writing this curly bracket. So this. So this is our build command. So let's write more. I'll come here and I'll write my clean command. So this will be echo cleaning up. Then we can remove. So rmrf, that is remove recursively the build directory. And afterwards, just write echo cleanup complete. So this will delete the build directory and all content in it. To stop the server, you can have a command for it. I'll type echo stopping server. So we can use a PQ. The PQ process queue, then force it. We can do go run main.go, or you want to echo no process found. So this will kill any background process matching the command go run main.go. And in the absence, it will run no process found. So we can also write our migration and migrate. Let's start with the up command. Then we can have our echo running database migration. So we can just write the dbmate here. Dbmate up, and we can have a command here that's migrating or migration applied. In the same vein, we can have the migrate down. We can do echo rolling back last migration. Then can do dbmate down. Then at the end, you can just send a message back, migration rolled down. And lastly, we can have our help command. So this help command will provide a quick reference to all available make commands, like so. So you can have echo available commands. So echo make run the server, echo make devs, install dependencies, echo make format. You can format the code, echo make build, the binary, then echo make clean up the binary, echo make stop or run server. So you can complete it. You can write the for migrate down and migrate up and whatnot. So this is just a template for the Makefile. So let's give this a whirl. We start from the run, the depths, the format, build, clean, stop, and whatnot. We can do make devs, which is for installing dependencies, and we saw this installing dependencies. So we can do make build. Before running make build, let's check what we have here before. So there's nothing like we don't have the bin folder. So if I do make build, let's see, we have the within the project build complete, then we have a bin folder. So let's reload, then we have our bin folder here. And this is the name of our bin, right? So the next thing to run is to clean. This will clean up the binaries. So we can do make clean. Then we have our cleanup complete. Let's come back here and let's reload. The binary folder is gone. So you can just run the migrate up, migrate down, stop, and whatnot. So this is how you can use your Makefile to automate processes and reduce typing out code at all times. You can just give them aliases like run, depth, format, build, clean, stop, and whatnot. Alright, the last thing that we're going to look at in this lesson is how we can auto restart our server using a tool called Here. So I'll go to my browser and I'll type Golang. Then you can click into the GitHub repo and let's scroll down. So this is how you can install. So I'll copy this and I'll go into my editor and I'll paste this here. So we can go install the github.com here verse and install the latest one. So while installing, let's go back here and read on how we're going to use it. After installing, we want to run the version. So we can do clean this up -v. So we have the version 1.62.0. So let's look at how we can use it. The simplest usage is to run this C. If not found, use default. You can initialize this, So let's run air init. Run air init. Before running, there's no toml file there. So we have this .air.toml file created to the current directory, like so. So let's refresh this, and we have this toml file. And after this, you can just run air command without additional arguments. So, and this will use the .air toml file for configuration. So let's head back, and you can just run air, and we have our server running connected to database successfully. Started server on 8081. And the beauty is that if I go to my main.go, let's see if you can just type something here. I'll put a rocket here, and I'll save this, and I'll go to my, you can see it's picking up the changes here. The rocket starting server on 8081, so you don't have to kill the server and restart it. So this brings us to the end of this lesson. If you enjoyed this lesson, please do well to leave a like and subscribe to this channel. It helps me to want to do more. And thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.